Sometimes called twisters, tornadoes are clouds of fast spinning wind that can destroy homes and lives. Here are some facts about tornadoes you might not know. Tornadoes can travel at speeds of over 170 kilometers per hour. They can also be very wide. The widest tornado ever recorded near El Reno in Oklahoma was 2.6 miles, over 4 kilometers wide. That's wider than Manhattan, New York. Scientists have learned a lot about how tornadoes in the US usually form. Warm, wet air from the sea, cool air from the north, and dry air from the mountains meet to create the perfect conditions for a tornado. Nearly 3/4 of the world's tornadoes occur in the United States. Most of these occur between May and June in a place called Tornado Alley. But tornadoes have been recorded all over the US and on every continent except Antarctica. Tornadoes are very dangerous, and they can form very quickly. The average time between a tornado warning and a strike is usually 13 minutes or less. So people have little time to find a safe place. In the US, tornadoes kill 60 people every year. But the deadliest tornado in history occurred in Dhaka, Bangladesh in 1989. It killed around 1,300 people. Scientists measure the damage a tornado causes using the EF scale. It ranks tornadoes on 6 different levels, from 0, a heavy wind, to level 5, enough wind to pick up a house. In order to save lives, we need to understand tornadoes better. So, many scientists continue to study them, sometimes risking their own lives to do so.